Now it's time to cover the hammer candles, guys, and how we can use those to look for potential entries. Now these, we need for them to occur at either resistance or at support, and we prefer it to happen on the M30 time frame. What we've got here is, it's not closed back bearish, but this is the only circumstances I would take a sell when the previous candle was closed back bullish. Price has tried to pull up into the range above. So this is what we call a hammer candle, guys. Just quickly, a hammer candle is a candle. It's open, closes close to its low. When it's a bullish hammer, it could be closing close to its high, but also it's a bullish candle. But what it does is leave a long wick the opposite direction to the closure, basically to the upside or the downside. We've got a candle which has closed with a long upper wick, and then only to come back into the range below and close back with a weak bullish candle. This would suggest we've grabbed liquidity from the upside, and if we begin to break the low of that bullish candle, that is a signal to start looking to sell it back down, and it must happen at a previous level of resistance. At the next video, guys, I'll go over the liquidity grab candle.